In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OpenArt Motion Sync. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a project, refine your settings, and generate motion synced video with confidence. Start by heading to the OpenArt Suite homepage. This is your central hub where all the creative tools live. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the left-hand navigation. That sidebar is where you'll jump between features. Next, click Media on the left side. This is your library, where inputs and outputs are organized. Keeping an eye on media helps you quickly find previous renders and stay consistent across projects. From the suite, open the Animate Video section and choose the Motion Sync option. This is the tool that aligns movement to your content, making it great for transforming ideas into fluid clips. Inside the workspace, switch to Frame to Video. This mode is ideal when you want to start from a single frame or a key image and extend it into motion. It focuses on preserving the look of your frame while introducing believable movement. Now, choose a model. Each model has its own strengths, from ultra-realistic motion to more stylized dynamics. If you're aiming for lifelike body movement, pick a realism-leaning option. If you want something expressive or artistic, a creative model can be a better fit. You can always come back and try another model later for comparison. In the Describe Your Video box, write a clear prompt. Aim for concise visual language, what the subject is, what it's doing, the mood, and any camera feel. For example, close-up portrait, gentle head turn, soft studio light, cinematic mood. Avoid contradictions and keep verbs specific so the motion stays coherent. Set your sound effect preferences. If you want quick audio scaffolding, enable sound effects that match the scene's vibe. If you plan to add music or Foley in post, leave this off for a clean export. Choose a mode that matches your goal. A more strict mode prioritizes accurate motion following, while a creative mode allows extra flair. When unsure, start with the default and adjust after a test render. Configure output. Select your aspect ratio, resolution, and duration. Higher resolutions look great but take longer to render, so balance quality with turnaround time. Pick a batch size. This controls how many variations generate at once. One is efficient for quick checks. A larger batch gives you options in a single pass. Finally, click Generate. You'll see your job queue up in process. Let it finish, then preview the result and note what worked for your next iteration. That's how you use OpenArt Motion Sync end to end.